Alright, I'm about to put my trust in my handbrake. Oh, that is different. That is something. I need to practice that in a different lot. Bigger one. Oh, I'm not good at falling down yet, or whatever. Woo, that is cool though. Wow. How about that? Okay. Here we go. When I do this on the road, I'm gonna have to pop it in third gear. So right now, I've not really even, I've barely kind of touched the handbrake. And so when it comes to third gear, I'm gonna have to touch the handbrake. So I'm gonna have to start kind of using it more instead of letting second gear engine brake do the work for me. This is some cool beans. Maybe once I get this down and I'm confident in it, I could make like a tutorial for people wanting to get started with using the handbrake. Because I look for it and there's honestly nobody who explains a process to learning, or at least not that I saw when I was looking. I don't know that I look super hard, but I don't know. If you guys want to see tutorials for stuff that I've learned how to do, let me know. That last big dip is the only time I use my handbrake that whole time. That's how much engine brake is on these bikes, dude. Woo! That was far. That was like hella far. Hey, that was pretty good, Steven. I should get some videos of Steven. Man, this is awesome. Holy shit, it's easy. Like, it's scary to like get ready to learn it, but if you already know how to like do the other shit, like basic shit, it's pretty easy, not gonna lie. Let me straighten my bars a little bit. Pretty good, pretty good. I think I need to kick my bars again, straighten up. We got a Corvette here. I'm not really sure what it is exactly. Stingray. I know it's a Stingray. I don't know if there's like specific like details within the fact that it's a Corvette Stingray. I know it's not the new one or the super new one or whatever. Like the 20. Is it the 2020 or 2021? I don't know. And I guess we're gonna race, so that's cool. Where does the race go to? Like, is there a certain light that Like, what light y'all want to go to?
Oh, I was gonna do a 60 punch. Just on the highway.
Huh? Oh, we're going on the highway?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, we're not doing 0 though.
Yeah, he's the only one that's gonna have a chance then. Okay. Guess we'll just go anyway. Might as well, everybody else is gonna be going. Alright, well, we're getting on the highway. I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna be able to fucking beat a Corvette on the highway. I don't know why I'm leading either. I don't want to be the leader. Let's see if I'll be able to see the road. Probably not. Dang, it's too bad I'm not on the 636 today. I'm kind of surprised. I kept up with the Mustang for like the first year or two that I was in. Or not Mustang, Corvette. Dang, man, that's loud, mate.